You are nearing the end of your Acura luxury lease. Now it's time for the all-important inspection. Whether you are returning your current Acura for a new one, or just returning your current Acura, you will need an inspection and we're here to help you. The inspection is your chance to find out what repairs may be needed to your Acura prior to turning it in. Getting the repairs done before your lease end could save you some money on excessive wear and use charges. If you choose not to make the repairs, the inspection report will let you know what charges you will be responsible for at lease end. We make it simple. First, schedule a free vehicle inspection with the SGS Customer Service Center 2 months before your vehicle lease expires. Call 1-800-340-4080 during business hours or visit schedule.sgsauto.com. Please have your AFS account number and VIN available. Once the inspection is scheduled, an inspector will travel to a location that's convenient for you, such as your home or office. The inspection is free and takes about an hour to complete. The inspection is important because it provides information to properly close your lease account. In preparation for the inspection, we ask that there be adequate lighting and that the vehicle be as clean as possible, inside and out. Also, since inspectors are not allowed to remove your personal items from within the car, please do so yourself. This includes car seats, covers, and any other belongings you did not receive with the vehicle. Please make sure that all keys, manuals, and original accessories are present. The keys are required to start your vehicle and test all the electrical functions, but it will not be driven. If you are present for the inspection, the inspector will give you a copy of the report. If you have questions about the report and how it affects your lease agreement, contact a lease end specialist at our Lease Maturity Center regarding any next steps or possible actions. Shortly thereafter, you will also receive a preliminary end-of-lease statement that outlines the estimated costs of any excessive wear and use or damage, excess mileage, etc. If the vehicle requires repairs, consult a lease end specialist for your options. We encourage you to use an authorized Acura repair facility to ensure that the vehicle is properly repaired with genuine Acura parts, which is required by your lease agreement. Please be sure to save all repair receipts, as they will be required at vehicle return. If you prefer, you may return the vehicle without making repairs, in which case, you will receive a bill for the cost of excessive wear and use or damage after your vehicle is turned in. Again, no charges will be assessed to your account until the vehicle is turned in. If you have any questions about the inspection process, call SGS at 1-800-340-4080 or the Lease Maturity Center at 1-866-777-6495. All of this information and more is available at acurafinancialservices.com/leasing/end of lease.